I'm going to show you how to connect Smartsheets and Jira in just 5 simple steps using the Unito platform. Let's jump into Unito and let me show you how easy and simple it is to get all this going. Start with step number 1, which is connect your tools. We're going to click on Start here. On the left-hand side, pick Jira as your source. And if you haven't logged in, you're going to want to click on Connect a new Jira account. Otherwise, select the account that already exists. Pick your Jira project that you want to do this for. So I'm going to pick Smartsheets here. I should have a project with that name. On the right-hand side, we're going to select Smartsheets. So click on Add a tool to this flow. Look up Smartsheets. It might not be here. It might go all the way to the S's, but just find it there. Then you're going to log in the same way. So if this is the first time logging in, click on Connect a new Smartsheet account, or just click on an existing account if you've already logged in, and then select the sheet that you want to sync with. Once you have that set up, click on Confirm. Step number 2 is to determine if you're going to go bidirectional or one way. I'm going to leave it with the basics here and go both ways, bidirectional. Click on Confirm. Once you've done that, then you want to figure out what issues are you going to want to bring back and forth. So you're going to do them from Smartsheets to Jira, and then from Jira to Smartsheets. So pick whatever makes sense for you and your team. Maybe you want specific issues that are created after a specific date. You can basically create new rules based on specific fields. You can also add additional actions. I'm going to leave the defaults for now, but please feel free to configure this and choose whatever makes sense for you and your team. Click on Confirm once you're done. Now, we can either manually or automatically map our fields. I'm going to let the tool do it for me, so I'm going to click on automatically. Once that's done, double check the mapping. This is an automatic thing. It's not always perfect, but just double check to make sure this is what you want. So subtasks are going to go to subtasks, attachments are going to go to attachments, comments are going to go to comments, priority to priority. You pick whether you want it bidirectional or just one way. You can also add additional fields if some of them are missing. I'm going to add summary as this one's missing. So I'm going to pick summary on the left, and then I need to map it to the appropriate field inside of Smartsheets. So I'm going to look for task name and then click on Confirm. We're 4 steps in. We're about to do the last and final step, which is to launch our flow. So go ahead and click on Continue and basically launch our flow. Now that we've set this all up, now it's time to go into Smartsheets and into Jira and prove to you that this works. So I'm going to go into Jira, I'm going to create a new story, and then I'm going to show that task showing up inside of Smartsheets. Let's jump into Jira. All right, so here I am inside of Jira, and I am in the project that I selected in the previous couple steps. So make sure you're in the correct project, otherwise it's not going to work. I'm going to simply click on Create an Issue. This is going to Smartsheets. I'm going to click on Enter, and then I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to open up this new story that I created, and I'm going to add a comment. This is my comment, right? And then I'm going to click on Save. We're going to go over to Unito, and I'm going to show you the sync happening, and then we'll go over to Smartsheets, and I'm going to show you that both the task and the comment has made it over. So let's go check that out. All right, so over on Unito, you're gonna see that our integration is active. You're gonna see that it's healthy. You can force a sync if you want to, but it is just gonna be doing it as those events get triggered. So as you can see, it's healthy, it's good to go. It just synced just a minute ago. So let's go take a look at Smartsheets and see if our stuff made it over. All right, so here we are inside of Smartsheet. As you can see, our task has made it over successfully to Smartsheets, and now we just need to do a confirmation of our comment. So let's scroll over to the right. Let's find the column for our comment, and we're going to see that our comment is right here. We can hover over it and see the exact comment. This is my comment. As you can see, in just a few minutes, we're able to get an integration between Smartsheets and Jira working effectively and super efficiently, and it didn't take forever to do. So no more duplicate information, no more manual trying to keep 2 systems in sync. Use Unito's platform to keep both of your tools always in perfect harmony and always in sync. Make sure you check out the link in the video description.